Hi everybody, welcome back to the Discovery Club. Today, I am with my mom.
Hello everybody.
She just made a live video, so she's a bit tired. But I have some stuff I wanted to show you. Then this thing that that Mom made on her live video. It's this Halloween theme fall thing.
You want to show them now?
We'll show you guys at the end of the video.
Oh, at the end of the video. Okay.
But today I'm going to be showing you my Shopkins and some slime. I have 2 batches of slime. One's a slime smoothie I made with my mom, my dad, who isn't here right now.
Nope.
And then I made one with my Nana. You would have seen the video. It was hilarious. So we'll start off with the Shopkins. Oh yeah, and we also have this little card. This is my mom's card for 31 thing. Go follow her on Stay Strong and Carry On with Christine. And I don't have many Shopkins, so
You don't have many. Look at this.
this is not many. Some
Okay.
people
Are these all your Shopkins?
Yeah, these are all of them I found, at least in my drawer.
So what's this?
This
oh.
one is Lippy.
Whoops.
This one is Lippy Lips. Now, Mom, you're gonna show them on. Your turn. Okay.
Okay.
So
This one is.
I don't know that one's name, but that is a Shopkin.
Okay.
It has meatballs, and that one's broccoli.
This one's broccoli. Cool.
You're kidding, Mom.
Oh, did I drop one?
Yeah, you dropped
Now what's this one?
That one's a Hershey Kiss.
Oh,
Hershey Kisses.
it looks like garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Mom. The garlic is
Oh,
not
okay,
on
no.
it.
What's this one? It's cute.
That one's bubble gum.
Mm.
Bubble gum.
How do you know all the names?
I don't. I just go by what they look like.
Yeah, okay.
This one's just a little tiny dinner. This one is my
This
personal.
one's lettuce.
Oh yeah, that one's lettuce. Yummy. This one is a present.
What's this one?
That one
Peach?
is laundry detergent.
Oh, laundry detergent.
You gotta show them, Mom.
I did. Pineapple, I'm guessing.
Yay.
Yeah. Do you know any of the names? Or are they just...
I don't know their names,
What's this
but I
one?
do have a checklist upstairs.
That's cute.
This is, you can see, and comment down below what these ones' names are. Strawberry Kiss!
Here,
Strawberry.
let's do fast forward. This one.
Toilet paper roll.
So you
We
can
have
show
that one.
the slime. Donut.
Spaghetti.
Umbrella.
Popcorn.
What's this one?
Onion. That one is a purse.
Purse.
Mm.
Guitar.
Where's the other purse?
Cake.
Oh, grill. Little cute little shoppy. The little baggers.
Oh, what's this? Piano.
Ice cream. Another
Mushroom?
ice cream.
What's this one?
A
Apple.
peach.
Peach.
A fan.
What's this one?
This one are little chocolates.
Little shake. Perfume.
Dog bone.
Oh, telephone. Cool. What's this one? Cheese string.
Oh, that's a banana use.
Oh. What's this one? Popcorn.
That's corn.
Oh.
This
Okay.
is a cupcake.
What's this one?
That is obvious. It's cookies.
Oh, cookies. I
I have a sandwich and laundry
like a
detergent.
strawberry shake.
Look at
Ice cream.
Wiener dog.
Lots. Wow.
Yeah.
It's like a snail.
That is not a snail.
Oh, this one.
That is not a snail. That's a lollipop.
Oh.
By the way, this is a lollipop, not a snail.
This one. Wow. More cake.
Here we have syrup, ketchup, and Mom has one.
Okay, let's do quick so we can do our
Okay,
slime.
rice
Two at a
and
time.
flour pot. The
Celery.
celery and apple, candy apple.
Nice.
Look at, I have.
Oh, is this like candy corn?
No, that is not candy corn. That's a bowling pin.
Oh.
This is
Cookies. This is cookies.
cookie.
Cookie.
Oh, no.
This is
Did you
gum.
want- Yeah. I have a
It's
baseball
a
mitt.
carrot. What's this one?
That's sprinkles.
Oh, sprinkles.
Look what I have.
Nice.
And plate.
What's this one?
That one is a bag. This one's blueberry muffin.
Cheese.
What are these things called again?
Avocado.
Avocado
This?
is I don't remember.
If you know what this is, let us know.
Then we have
Let's
this
take a closer look.
little tiny cake.
Oh, cute. Okay, what's
Okay.
next?
Slime. Bye.
Now, is this a bunch of slimes together?
This is a slime smoothie.
It's got the consistency of the shape of the bowl.
Yeah.
Oh. And it's got foam beads.
Foam beads.
Yeah.
By the way, this is a slime smoothie.
Mm-hmm.
I just added foam beads because I didn't like how the consistency wasn't cool.
No.
So I also added some more lotion,
Nice.
which made it less tougher. Kind of. This was still this tough earlier.
Cool. What's in that container?
Oh, in this container, we have a little blue cloudy thing. Not like a cloud, so I couldn't find snow, like instant snow. So, yeah.
Let me see what this one feels like. This one's like dry. This one feels wet and cold, and this one's kind of
Yeah.
dry. So what's in this one?
Shaving cream.
Oh. And what's in this one?
Shaving cream and the bunch.
And a whole
And
bunch.
vanilla extract.
Oh. This one feels cool. Crack's good. Okay. What else we got?
That's not really it. We could play with the Shopkins a little bit. Because we have played with the slime.
Mm-hmm. Now, how do you play with that amount of slime?
This amount?
Mm-hmm.
You squeeze it, you can...
Stretch it.
For a slime this size, it's really stretchy. Look. Look, see? Mom can literally break it.
Yeah. Well, you can see all the foam beads are coming out of it. That's the only thing about the foam beads, eh?
Yeah, so
They'll come out.
when you break it, not when you stretch it like me.
Mm.
I'm trying to make a slime bubble perfectly. Yeah. Yeah.
Did you do it?
No, didn't make it. Whoop. But anyway, we still
You want to
have...
show us our thing we made?
What thing? That thing?
Yeah. Why not? Here.
It's an awkward thing. Trust
It
me.
was cool. Tell them how we made it.
Yeah, we used this foam stuff. Okay, Mom, you take over from me. Because you're the best one at explaining.
Okay, so we made this today. A fall centerpiece. So it's got what's it called? An oasis in the middle. And then we stick the flowers in it. So these are just dollar store flowers. We got this scarecrow from 31, right?
Yeah, and we also got this bat case over here that you can see.
Oh yeah, that's right here. Didn't we?
Pretty much.
Nice.
I also brought the bat down because it was 31.
Cool.
Well,
So
first,
what should they say if they're watching the video?
if you're watching this video right now, comment down below. Hashtag
Shopkins?
Shopkins.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Or hashtag lippy lips.
Lippy lips. Okay, good job, honey.
Bye, everybody. Thank you
Thanks
for
for
watching. And there's some games I wanted to show you in my next video, or an upcoming video at some point. And yeah,
Don't forget to
subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I will be liking a ton of your comments and responding to most of them. Bye, everybody.